Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be a Birchbox unboxing video, and it's just going to be a little bonus video for this week just because my Birchbox has arrived and I didn't want to kind of like wait until next Sunday. So these are probably going to be like when I do my bonus videos, when these arrive. I'll just kind of throw it in as just like a quick video. So like I said, my Birchbox arrived. It did actually arrive a couple of days ago, but this is the first chance I've had to film it. Obviously I didn't actually film the last couple just because it was quite late in the month, and then when I got around to it I thought, well, you're not going to be able to order it, so what's the point? So this is February's box, so we'll just start by getting it open. Here, and I think from what I've seen it's like a Valentine's theme one, obviously. So this is just what it looks like. It's obviously got like all the hearts and stuff on it, which is really cute for like Valentine's Day. So when you slide it down, obviously it's got the little card on the front. So it says from Birchbox with love. So we've just got a couple of different things in here. So I'm going to go with the thing that we chose first, because this was, I think we actually, was it this one we got to choose the shade of, I think. And this is the Botanic Beauty Bloom Blush in Pink Freesia. Yep. So I'm just going to open this up when I can. So this is just what it looks like, the colour. Oh, and it's a twisty top. So that is just what it looks like. Let me just... Oh, it's a nice colour. And that is just what the colour is like as well. It's just a really nice, pretty, like pinky colour, peachy. Then the next thing that we have is the Lord and Berry Max and Matte Lip Crayon in Soul. So this is like another pinky colour. Obviously they're keeping in with a pinky theme for Valentine's Day. Oh, that glides on really nicely actually. That is really pretty. I really like that shade actually. It's really quite nice. I'm excited to try that out. I like them kind of colours from my lips. I do actually really like these. And these two are both full-size products as well. And the blush retails for £9.50 and the lip crayon retails for £14. Then the next thing that we have is the Vitamask Lip Mask Plump and Repair. So, oh, I've always wanted to try a lip mask. I've never actually tried. I've tried obviously like the scrubs and stuff, but I have never actually tried a lip mask. This is obviously another full size, and this is £4.99. So we've got quite a lot of full sizes in this one, which is good. So I'm excited to try this out because my lips have been a little bit dry lately, but the exfoliator has been helping. It's just with the cold weather and stuff, isn't it? That's the thing at the moment. It's just freezing cold, really windy, and it doesn't help with your lips. So I'm excited to try that out. Then this next thing, I think we've had something similar to this, or either that or we've had something by the same brand. It's the Sand and Sky Australian Pink Clay Flash Perfection Exfoliating Treatment. The full price, the full size is also just a sample, retails for £34.90. I think we've had something like this before. I'm not going to open it because I have a feeling I have the same that I've been like kind of going back and forth. I have like a little drawer with all my Birchbox stuff in, and if I fancy like a pamper or I'm going to use something else, I'll just kind of go in there and see what I've got. So I'm not going to open this one up and smell it, but yeah, that'll be interesting. Then the next thing is another full-size product, which is amazing. I'm quite liking this brand. We've had a couple of things from these, and this is a rose hand cream, so I'm actually going to give this a go. There we go. Oh, it smells nice. These are great for just kind of like putting in your bag and stuff. Like just handy for your handbag. So this is a full size and it retails for £2.49. That's quite cheap actually, because hand creams do go a long way. Like you don't need like big things of hand cream. Then this thing, which I am excited to try, I've been seeing a lot of this of like people obviously with the advertisement and the promos for this and stuff. I've seen a lot of people saying that they've tried this already and they say it's really good. So this is the Space Mask Rose Mask. A little pouch contains a self-heating eye mask which will transport you to another dimension, relieving tiredness, eye strain and many other earthly tensions. The warmth comes alive as soon as you open it, so make sure you're fully inclined and ready for liftoff. You can keep this on for about 15 minutes, so I am excited to use this. So that will be nice. So yeah, that is just what we got in this month's Birchbox. I think you are still able to purchase it. Obviously there's a couple of little nice pampering things there. Obviously like you could have used Valentine's Day, but you can still use them at any point. I'll probably just use them on a nice chilled Sunday night or something like that. But I'm excited to try that lip colour. It looks really nice, and it's definitely a me colour, so I'm very excited to try that out. And the blush, they go very well together. So yeah, if you are subscribed to Birchbox and you received this box, what did you think of it? Did you like it? Did you not? Obviously I've been with Birchbox I think for about a year now. I am enjoying it still. There was a bit of a time where it was a bit of a lull, but I am still enjoying the products that we're getting, so which is a good thing. So yeah, if you have enjoyed this video, then please don't forget to give it a big thumbs up and hit the subscribe button down below. And if you did get the Birchbox, then what was your favourite product out of it, and also what shade did you get the blush in? So yeah, just leave me a comment down below and I will just catch you in my next one. Alright, bye guys.